Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to insert page breaks in Microsoft Word. Alright, so do you want to push content to a new page without mashing enter a dozen times? Okay, let's use a page break. So what you need to do, as I rightly highlighted here, uh, place your cursor where you want the next page to start. Okay, then you go to the insert tab and click page break, or just press Ctrl plus Enter. So we want this what is Lorem Ipsum to start on a new page, okay, on the next page. So I've put my cursor here, right? So all I need to do is to come to insert, then click on page break, and you see it come to the next page. All right, okay, let me undo it. Instead of using the tab option, okay, instead of going to insert then click on page break, you can just use Ctrl plus Enter. That's a shortcut for our page break. Then let me just put my cursor here and click on Control Center. You see, so it still give you the same result. So if you want, why do we use it to start on the next page? Click on page break here. Insert this one. I want it to start from the next page. Click on page, and I want where can I get some, to start on next page. You see, so that is it. That's it. It's very simple, not complex, at all. And page break, it forces the content after your cursor to a new page, neat and clean. It is perfect for separating chapters, sessions, or headings. So that is what page break does. That is it on this video. I will see you in the next one. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.